What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're going to be doing something I haven't done in a very long time. I'm going to be doing a bloom pour, and then I had to put together this little set of beads. I couldn't find Mardi Gras beads anywhere, so I actually had to like put it together. So the base we're going to be using is this white right here. It is a Valspar 2000 High Hide White. It's just a house paint that I got from I want to say Home Depot or Lowe's. And this will be used as our pillow. The canvas is a 12 by 12. And we're gonna get the bloom down first. I'm gonna try to remember who inspired me, but I know that I got inspiration for this pour from a video I saw on YouTube. And it was from a creator that I've never seen before. So I'm going to try to find them, and I'm going to try to link their video in my description, because it's because of them that I'm even making this attempt, because the effects that they got were really cool, and I want to try to emulate it a little bit and maybe put my own little spin on it. Oh, that was a bunch of cell activator. All right, so I had been told to swipe slower, and that creates better cells. And not wrong. Those cells look nice. They're going to continue to open up, so I like that. Just cleaning off the old palette knife. Yeah, those are kind of cool looking. You can see where it was a lot thicker though. Alright, so we might need to do that a couple more times actually to get the coverage that I'm looking for. And we're just getting it all spread along the edge of the spatula. And we will go the other way this time. Kind of slow. Just dragging it off, saving a little bit of this paint. And repeat with the paper towel. Clean off the spatula. I mean, I'm very excited for this pour. I have an idea in my head, and sometimes when they get stuck in my head like this, I have to try them. Because if I didn't try it, I would always wonder if I could have got it. All right, so one more again. A little bit of this cell activator along the edge. And some of the colors that we're going to be doing with the beads are pretty cool. They're some color shift. Let's turn that a little and spread it. There we go, huh? All right. Clean off the spatula, and then we'll be able to adjust that. Everything's going well so far. Everything's working out for the most part right now. We'll see. I do think we want to shift it a little. It's been a long time since I've done blooms, so I don't remember the cell activator sinking so far down into the paint. But we'll give it a nice little spin. Kind of spread this lacing and cells out. Because the lacing, the cells, that's not going to be the... Let me see if I can stop this without getting paint all over me. The lacing and the cells are not the star of the show. The star of the show is supposed to be the chain pull. All right, I am trying to get coverage. I do like what's happening up here because all those cells are going to continue to open up. Now this glove is completely covered in paint, which that will kind of defeat the next phase of this a little bit. All right. I'm not sure what you can see on the side over here, but I'm using this color shift. It is a turquoise brilliant aqua flash, and then another color shift, which is this purple flash. But if you can see, it's like a blue purple. The other one's kind of an aqua greenish blue. And we're gonna see what we can get out of this. So I just have a paper plate, and I'm gonna pour just enough to where I can hopefully roll this little chain around in there and get it to pick up enough paint. Yeah, this is very different than I'm used to. So, oh my goodness. Yep. All right. Well, we are having some technical difficulties, but it's okay. It is okay. All right. And let's just take this and we'll put it out there. These beads are fairly large for what I'm doing. So, oh, and it spins too, and didn't even think of that. So let's see what we can make this do. Hopefully, it ends up pretty cool. As you can see, there's this giant pool of white right there. And I am trying to get that to come off the edge, because I do not want that big puddle to stay. Oh wow, look at that. It's creating like angel wings almost. Now that's kind of cool. Alright, let's set this down so I can try to wash that later. Okay, that is kind of cool actually. Alright. Now for the second one, I'm gonna have to save that paint for later. This next one, the beads are much larger, so I feel like it's gonna pull even more. So we're gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna put the beads in there and just pour the paint over it, because pouring the paint into the plate didn't work as well. I feel like I'll be able to get more coverage across the beads. If you guys couldn't tell, I haven't used beads while painting. I think I have like once years ago, so I'm not very good at this, but I saw it and I had to try it, and it's exciting. Something new and different is very exciting to me. All right, so let's turn this. We're gonna work on the other side. All right. Now there's a lot of this paint, so I am trying to drip some of it off, but all right, I think I just hit my camera, and that's okay. Oh, the bigger ones are doing a different kind of look. That's awesome. Now, if I was going to do this again, I would definitely make sure to not have it on my spinny do, because I feel like the spinny do was making it so much harder than it had to be. That's actually really cool looking. I like the colors and the way they shift is very interesting and different. I don't know, that looks like wings to me, kind of. I don't know, what do you guys see in there? I mean, it's not exactly what I had in mind, because I mean, I know what I could do different. Maybe not have it on the spinner, use this spinner for the initial portion, and then after you get the initial portion done, take it off. But I think it's pretty cool, pretty different nonetheless. I mean, maybe we can alter it a little bit and try to get more definition in there. I don't know if I'm gonna mess it up. No, that's kind of cool, actually. As long as I kind of trail it off a little bit and don't just try to pick it straight up. It does what I'm trying to do. Wonder if a bigger one would do better. Let's see, we got a medium-sized one. Maybe we get a, try it over here. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. It was an interesting idea, but let me bring you guys down. I want you to check this thing out. It looks pretty cool, actually. I mean, and there's a bunch of different applications that I can try this with in the future with different types of pours. So I'm very excited about it. So I have the flash on so you can actually see the color shift in these. Look at that. I am glad that I stopped with that little tool because it was starting to disturb everything. But I mean, look at these lines and the colors and the shimmer. Even the cells from the cell activator look really interesting. I love it. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.